Brain out level number 81. Spot the differences. We have to find the difference. Well, I think the middle flower is of different color. Well, I don't see any other difference. It is movable. Oh my god, this is movable. The flower opposite to we have mark is also dissimilar. Difference. Let's mark it. Okay, we have cleared. Brain out level 82. How many holes does this pant have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And the bigger hole 9. I think 9. Let's try it out. Oh, it's get fitted. Brain out level number 83. What is the maximum number of pieces that watermelon can be cut into with 10 cuts? If we cut it half, then it will be in 2 parts. Then if we cut that in also half, then it will be in 4 parts. If we cut 4 parts in a half, then it will be 8 parts. So I think it will keep on increasing by 2. So 2 power 10. That will be 1024. Okay, did you understand? 2 power 10. Brain out level number 84. Catch the rat. Well, I think here there is no rat. Rat must be inside the pipe. Let's catch it. Burn the wood and insert wood from one end. The smoke is coming from the other hand. Block that smoke. The smoke will cause the rat come out. Okay. Rat, the bad rat, finally came out. Brain out level number 85. How to pass this level? Well, to pass this level, we have to click on next and move on. Press the mouse and point the pointer towards next, and now click on the mouse. Brain out level number 86. Brain out level number 86. Form a smallest possible number. Well, smallest possible number is 5555. That's not true. Okay, this can be shifted, so it will be negative number. Well, for negative number it will be 999. That is the smallest one. Brain out level number 87. Once again we have to tap. Well, 20 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. This time we have to use our brain. We can zoom the wheel so that we get more space. Let's now fill with arrow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 20. We have cleared level 87. Brain out. Brain out level number 88. Mom is back. Help me hide gamepad. We have to hide the gamepad. Well, we can hide by covering it with our finger or thumb. Let's hide it with our thumb. It is not hiding. Well, we have to cover it with our thumb and it will work. Finally worked. Brain out level number 89. Turn this pyramid upside down in 3 moves. Well, we have to be very careful. We just have 3 moves, but I have solved it previously, so I will not waste even a single move. This is my first move, and this is my second move, and this will be obviously my third move, and the triangle will be upside down. They are saying excellent work. Thank you. Brain out level number 90. Tap in the following order: 33, 1, 6, 8, 2, 20, 17, 60, 33. Well, 1, 6, 8, 2, 8, 2. Well, they have diminished the number. Well, I remembered the number 17. Okay, let's try again. We have to remember the number first. 1, 6, 8, 2, 20, 17, 20, 17, 60. Okay. 1, 2, 8, 6, 20, 17, 60. It's not working. Let's try it once again. 1, 1, 6, 8, 2, 20, 17, 60, then 33 in the above figure. Okay, we have just cleared it successfully.